First of all, take a plastic sheet and then stick a sticky tape on it which has a smooth surface. Make layers to make it thick depending on the thickness of your tape. I made 2 to 3 layers. Now take out the tape from the plastic because I don't want to waste tape, so I will cut it into strips and then again make layers because we don't need such a broad tape. Then stick the tape on your nails and give it a little round shape. And then using a gel pen, marker or glitter pen, mark the shape of your nails and then cut it out. You can give the shape of the tip as per your choice. Now again stick the tape onto the plastic sheet and then color it using your favorite nail paint. Let it to dry and make sure you don't leave any air bubbles like me. Now let's take it out and try sticking it on our nail. It was way too big, so I decided to cut it a bit, and well, now our fake nails is ready.